The mortgage basically is a federal government scheme. This estate is not for the federal government, it's for a developer, but it's a federal government mortgage scheme that all Nigerians can access, whether you are home or you are abroad. You can get up to 70 million naira loan, and you can spread up to 15 years. Actually, it's 20 years, but the bank that is in charge wants to do 15 years. So you are going to access this loan through a mortgage bank, not a commercial bank, through a mortgage bank. So the interest is 12% per annum, and you can spread up to 15 years. So if you are buying a house of 100 million and the federal government loans you 70 million, you are going to get 30 million for the balance of the house. But if you want to buy a house of 70 million, there's a contribution, that's your commitment fee of 20%. So that means you're going to pay 20%, that's like 40 million out of the money for your house, and then they loan you the remaining 56 million. So that's it basically. So for you to get the mortgage, you have to be a Nigerian. You must not have a bad loan. There are some fees you will pay. There are some charges that the bank charge. The mortgage bank, they charge some fees. Then there's also perfection of documents. Then I'm marketing. Maybe other developers are into this scheme, I don't know, but this is the developer I'm marketing for. So I'm marketing his property. Whether you pay mortgage or you pay outright, there are some fees you are going to pay for the developer. That's whether you pay cash for his property. There is developmental fee, survey and deed. Developmental fee depends on your house type. It's 6 million for terrace, 3-bedroom and 2-bedroom. Then the deed is 500, and then survey is 2 million naira. So that's it basically. Then there's perfection of title. If you are going to do the mortgage, before they give you the loan, you need to perfect the title of the house, because the property is in the name of the developer. The person that built it is the owner of the C of O. You understand? So, and for the bank to give you the loan, they need to perfect the title and make the C of O or the document, whatever document that they're going to change it to, maybe governor's consent. They need to perfect it to your name, because they need collateral. And the one they perfected will be the one they will hold till you finish paying the mortgage. I hope you understand. So the perfection of title, that one will cost about 7 point something million. Before they give you the loan, you need to do it. That one is one of the first things you will do. And there's a 275,000 naira for due diligence. Whether you're abroad or in Nigeria, they're going to search that you don't have a bad loan, you can pay back, and you are capable. So they're going to do due diligence. That fee is also there. Then for somebody that took a client that took 70 million for 15 years, his monthly payback is about 900 and something thousand naira, and his total loan and his total interest is about 82 million. And there is a checklist of things you need to provide to get the mortgage. So I'm going to send the checklist. Just go through all the details. If you have any question, you can ask me. Like I said, it is not the house that is mortgage. The house is for private developers. Different developers are coming on board, but there's a loan for all Nigerians that the federal government has, the renewed hope federal government set aside. They call it renewed hope home ownership scheme for Nigerians to harness, people that are qualified. So, and this money, they've given it in care of mortgage banks. So there are different mortgage banks that are on board. So they give it in care of mortgage banks. So when you come and you ask for the loan, or a developer is on board, and and they tell we marketers and we bring a client, they will search, they do all due diligence, and the mortgage bank will now borrow you the money, but they will not give you the 70 million naira. You will pay the balance for the property you're buying, whatever difference, and they will now pay the developer. So that's how it's done basically. So if you have any question, you can ask me. I will respond. Thank you.